pasta?
Oh, yes, like a lot.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Okay. Stop, that's plenty.
Whoa, look at
Thank
that.
you.
I've got a customer at my slime Italian shop. Let's go over. Hi.
Like, hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? Would you like to order anything at my slime pasta restaurant?
Like, totally, I would. May I please have, let's start with bottled water. And then, can I please have bread? And I would love some of your penne pasta, please.
Okay, is that it?
Well, then I would like to end with something like super sweet. And if you could, my little sweet dog Waffles would like something too. Say hi to the camera.
All right, is that it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll start out with your water and bread.
Sounds great.
Let's go. Oh, follow me, my goodness. I just gotta take your plates and cup.
Assistant, that's the famous Yelp critic,
But
Felicia Filistino.
Felicia?
Filistino, she's a Yelp critic. She's the one that will tell you if you're flying pasta
She
shop.
could shut us down?
Yeah, if you get a bad Yelp review, you're out of luck.
No. Okay, well, we'll get her water and bread.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, bread,
Okay, one piece of bread.
and then water.
Oh, good idea. Good idea.
The finest water. Perfect.
Excuse me, please hurry. Like, I'm
Oh.
kind of in a rush. I have a lot of places to go.
She really was in a rush.
Bread, water. All right, I'll be right back with your pasta.
Thank you.
Assistant, what did she want?
She just wanted me to hurry up.
No, what did she want for her order?
Oh, she wants the penne pasta.
Okay, so we're out of that. You're gonna have to go to the store and get some.
What?
Come on, let's go. You're gonna have to go to the market.
Oh no.
Through the tunnel.
Okay, we're at the shop.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the fresh penne pasta. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Then we have some instant snow powder, and then we have some toppings for it. Oh, and the sauce.
And the sauce. Okay, let's get back to that.
Is that everything that we need?
I hope so. Let's find out. All right, let's go.
Waffles, what is taking her so long?
She's getting anxious.
I forgot something. I gotta
give
give.
Waffles a treat.
Hello. Here's Waffles a treat.
No, not on the spoon that she eats with.
Oh.
Yelp critic, get her a fresh spoon.
I don't have any more spoons.
There's an ice cream one.
Oh, I have spoons. I have spoons.
There's an ice cream. Here's a fresh, clean one.
Oh, okay. Where's the treat?
You can't. You put it on the table.
What is this?
No, I said you gotta give her a clean spoon. You can't put.
You said this was clean.
Okay. I don't think your customers are gonna like the fact that you fed a dog off a spoon in the restaurant.
Like, it was so awesome. Thank you.
I guess
Yeah,
did.
she liked
All right,
it.
so let's work on that pasta.
Okay, first step. I have to empty one whole thing of this.
Okay, so you gotta put your pasta marinara.
Scented
Now this
glue.
is pasta shop
Smell.
only out of slime, right? So this is not real food, people.
Yeah. Okay, so let's add this in. Ready?
Yep. Ooh, look at that.
Very marinara-y.
It is. And look, does it smell like?
It does. Okay, I think that's good, right? You think that's good?
So. Let's see.
I feel like that's good. Oh no, you're getting the workspace all messy.
Okay, so this is, remember again, this is slime. This isn't something really you can eat. It's like Play-Doh, right?
Right.
We're like a Play-Doh restaurant.
So now we need 6 spoonfuls of water.
Okay, so there's your water.
Okay,
Okay.
hold on.
I wouldn't do it over the pasta, but okay. 1. I wouldn't do it over the pasta.
2. Where should I do it over?
Over the table. Or how about over this plate?
The serving plate.
Sure. That's 3.
3, 4, 5. One more. 6.
Good job. Good job. All right, now what are you supposed to do?
Mix until fully combined.
Mix until fully combined. So you're going to mix your pasta up. Your sauce. This is the marinara, right?
Sauce, of course.
This is the sauce.
All right, that's looking pretty good.
Okay.
Nice and combined. Okay, next we're gonna add 2 spoonfuls of my special activator solution.
So special activator solution onto your spoon.
Yeah.
Okay. Here. 1. That was more than 1 because you poured it over, right?
It's okay. You could go a little bit over.
Okay.
2.
All right, 1, 2.
Can you close this up?
Sure.
Now
I'm your souffle chef.
Ooh, I already feel it starting to.
To thicken?
Yeah.
And I'll help you clean up your workspace. Because a good chef always cleans as they go, right?
Right.
And you're a good chef. You're the best pasta slime chef this side of Las Vegas.
Yeah. I'm surprised she hasn't called to complain recently. Oh no.
So you're mixing. Let's show people home what it looks like.
My assistant! Assistant!
Oh no, she's calling me over there.
What is, here, look. We'll show the people at home what it looks like. Okay.
We gotta go to her.
Yeah, she's a Yelp critic. Let's see what she wants.
Hello! Like, can't you tell I need more water?
Still kind of full.
Yeah. She took a sip out of it though, so she probably should have.
Oh yeah, we should add, yeah.
Okay. More water for it.
Perfect.
Good job. There you go.
Like, the bread was delicious. May we please have some more?
You want more bread?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Oh, gosh!
Oh no! I messed up. She didn't catch it. Sister, you got any freshly baked bread? There. Oh, there you go. There you go. Never mind the one I threw at you. Never mind. We're gonna go back and work, right?
How much longer do you think it's gonna be?
Usually our videos are about 20 minutes, so a little bit longer. All right, so let's go.
Ooh, it really.
Ooh, look at that. So are you supposed to knead it or anything? And like pull it
Well,
out?
I'm supposed to be mixing for a few minutes.
Okay.
And then I can pull it out and start.
Ah, Billy, assistant, you can't. You gotta have all of your pasta ready to go.
It's okay. When this, it's okay. It's okay. I added my gloves, so now we're gonna mix it in the pot.
Oh, that's right, because you gotta knead it now, don't you?
Yeah. It's a very tedious process.
Well, to make perfect homemade pasta, slime pasta, you need it has to be a tedious process, right?
Right.
Ooh, look at that.
Very slimy.
Assistant!
Oh no. Yes?
I was just curious. I'm like, how you're doing over there?
We'll let you know when we get
Yeah.
the food done, okay?
Yeah, no more questions. No more questions. Oh no.
Look at your hands, assistant. You got marinara pasta everywhere. So the next step is after you're done eating that, you're gonna add the pasta.
Yeah.
You've got the
Then the toppings, of
the
course.
snow powder, and then you also have your toppings. And then we'll serve that, and then we'll get the ice
The
cream.
dessert
Right?
going. We'll get the dessert going. We still have to ask her what she wants in her ice cream.
Oh, that's right.
Maybe you could do that while I'm doing this.
Well, I'm scared of her.
Oh, okay.
Here, we'll just do it and fast forward.
Oh, okay, okay.
Go.
All right, I'm done mixing up the sauce.
Good job, Assistant. Now what do you need to do?
We need to add in our snow powder into our thing.
So you add the snow powder into your marinara.
And then we gotta knead it in.
Ooh, look at that.
1, 2. Perfect. Now let's knead it.
And that makes it like shimmery, doesn't it?
Yeah. It adds texture.
It adds texture to your slime pasta.
So now we're done with our,
The
The
marinara
sauce.
Okay.
So now we're gonna put this to the side for a second.
Okay.
Well, I'm glad she hasn't called us over recently. Now we're gonna put on our penne pasta.
Perfect.
Put it down.
Ooh, these look pretty real.
They're not though.
They're not. All right, so you're gonna arrange your pasta, and then what do you do?
We're gonna add the sauce.
So now you're gonna take the sauce.
Put it on the. Perfect. Okay. Got my pot. Now add the sauce. Ta-da!
Ooh, that looks pretty good. Now what do you do?
We're gonna add the food toppings and charms.
Okay.
Looks like there's some mushrooms, some tomatoes. Don't know what that is.
That looks like garlic.
Don't know what that is. Ta-da!
Oh, you got like little green peppers in there, and you got garlic and tomatoes, and you're gonna put any Parmesan cheese on top.
Huh. Ah, here it is. Should I do it in front of her so you can tell me when to stop?
Sure.
Okay.
So there's your penne pasta, right?
Right.
Let's go give it to her.
Sorry for the wait, ma'am. Would you like any cheese on your pasta?
Oh, yes, like a lot.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Okay. Stop, that's plenty.
Whoa, look
Thank
at that.
you.
So here's your meal, ma'am. You've got your bread, you've got your pasta, you've got your dog. But now you need your ice cream. What would you like in your ice cream?
Yeah, what would you like? Hold on.
What are my choices?
Okay, so we have chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream.
Stop. I want chocolate.
Chocolate, and
Yes.
do you want any kind of add-ons to it?
Like chocolate sauce,
Okay.
like sprinkles,
Okay.
and like totes the whipped cream. We love it.
So whipped cream, sprinkles,
And
chocolate sauce.
Okay.
Wait,
Got it. Oh.
on chocolate ice cream.
Yeah, I got that part.
Okay. All right, so let's go to your ice cream shop.
Okay.
While she's eating that,
Ah. All right. Let's get her ice cream. Okay.
Sister, we're gonna have to probably go to the store and get the ice cream and the sauce.
You're right.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh,
It's probably-
she's enjoying her pasta.
She can't see us leave.
Let's go. All right.
Ta-da!
All right. So here's the ice cream, and then there's the sauce. So
Okay.
you got strawberry and chocolate, right?
Yeah, and then we have our ice cream.
All right. So let's
Head back.
head back to your pasta station, to your ice cream station.
Yeah, now it's the ice cream.
All right.
So chocolate ice cream. Perfect. Oh, I didn't ask her how many scoops she wanted. I guess I'll just do 2.
That's probably a good slab. So this is ice cream slime, right? It's not real ice cream, it's just slime.
Yeah, just slime. 1 scoop.
So there's 2 scoops of slime ice cream.
Perfect.
All right, so then
Done with-
you had strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate in there, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Now you need whipped cream.
Cream. Oh, it's down here. And
Oh,
then
you have. Let's look at all the stuff. You have cherries, and you've got
fruit.
fruit.
Oh, assistant!
Oh, she's calling me over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I forgot to ask, is a cherry included?
No.
Can I please have a cherry?
Sure.
Okay, let me add that. Cherry. Okay. Next up, we need some whipped cream, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So whipped slime cream.
Yeah, because this is all slime. Woo!
Very good.
Whipped cream.
Good job.
Now, what do you want? Chocolate sauce? And then sprinkles and then cherry.
Yes.
Okay. Chocolate sauce. Mmm, feels like chocolate.
Let's sprinkle that on. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. And then sprinkles. Lots of sprinkles.
Oh, those look great, assistant. All right, now what do you do?
The cherry on top.
Got to add the cherry, right? Well, we got to put the lid on the sprinkles. We don't want to spill those, do we?
No, that would be terrible.
The cherry on top.
Perfect.
Perfect. Let's take that to her so she can have her dessert, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna take her dog a treat too.
Oh, waffles?
Yeah.
Perfect idea. Oh, she needs a spoon, assistant. Oh, you've got it. Good.
Here's your ice.
So did you like the slime pasta?
The slime pasta was wonderful.
Perfect.
Now let's check out this slime ice cream. Again, it's not real food.
Wow. The cherry is so lifelike.
Sure is. Hey, assistant, now that you've completed your meal, what should the people at home do?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. And the waffles, thanks for joining us. What do you people at home think? Do you like
Hopefully we get a good review.
the ice cream better? Or did you like the